In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Listing Lens AI. Now, you can target sellers before they list. Pinpoint the homes most likely to hit the market in the next 180 days with the power of AI. Introducing Listing Lens AI. Let's walk through how to use it. First, click on Mailing Lists, and then click Listing Lens AI. And then click the yellow Start Searching Now button. There are two choices to select the geographic area of your search. You can do a radial search, which starts from a central address and then goes out in a circle a predetermined number of miles. Or you can search an entire zip code. Let's start with a radial search. First, enter an address. This might be your office address, your home address, or an address inside the farm area that you're working. Over here, enter the radius in miles of how far out you want to go from your address. Here you can select the property types that will be returned in your mailing list. By default, everything is selected: single-family homes, condos, and townhomes. If you'd rather not mark it to townhomes, for example, simply click it to unselect it. Now we come to the Sellability Score. Every property in Listing Lens AI is scored from 1 to 1,000. Based on our research and real-world testing, the best probability comes from a minimum score of 600 and a maximum score of 1,000. Next, you can select the minimum and maximum amount for your home value. Click the drop-down arrow if you'd like to change it. And now click the blue Search Properties button. Now we see that there are 425 total properties. If you'd like to see where these properties are actually located, click on Map View. Here, each property is represented by a red dot. And you can zoom into this if you would like. Now let's go back to Results View. Here you can specify how many properties you want to purchase. Let's say you want a list of 150, so type in 150. Your list of 150 will be the highest scored homes. And then over here, give your list a name. And now click the yellow Add to Cart button. Now, if you simply want to buy the list, click the yellow Checkout button. Or you can really utilize the power of a direct mail campaign specifically designed for Listing Lens AI. You can connect this list with the AI campaign to target homeowners who are likely to sell. To do that, click this blue Select Campaign button. Here you'll see a number of campaigns that are specifically designed to use a mailing list from Listing Lens AI. Let's choose the first campaign here by clicking on it. Over here, you'll see your campaign overview. If you want to change any of the options in your campaign, you can do that here. And we have a great video if you need some explanation on campaigns. Here, you'll see that your Listing Lens AI mailing list that we just created has been automatically selected for you. Now click the yellow Edit Your Template button. Here you see the back of your postcard. This will be used on each mailing in your campaign. Make any changes if you want, and then click the yellow Next button. Here you'll see the proofs for your campaign, and it shows you the date that the mailer will go out. To continue, click this box, and then click the yellow Add to Cart button. Now we see your Listing Lens AI campaign is in the shopping cart along with your mailing list. Now click the yellow Checkout button. And then click the yellow Place Your Order button. Now you can view your list and view the scores for the properties included in that list. To do that, click on your email address here, and then click on Mailing Lists. Here we have the list management screen, and you can see the different lists inside of your account. Here is the Listing Lens AI mailing list that we just purchased. Click on the Options button. Then click on Download. Then click Save. When you open this file, you'll see a list of the properties included, along with the listing lens score and the listing lens score date. Now, instead of guessing who might list, agents can focus on homeowners who statistically have the highest probability of listing their home. AI technology is now yours with Listing Lens AI from Prospects Plus.